Our home is so full of chaos and constant fighting. We will never become the joyful, connected family I had dreamed we would be. I will always be stressed and overwhelmed in my parenting.
Thank you so much to the mom who shared this belief with us. These words are so heavy, and we can totally relate to feeling like this and believing this. And we are sure that many other parents can too.
Please share this message of hope with someone you know. And share with us your most toxic parenting belief so that we can bring God's light and hope to you as well.
Let's talk about it.
Hi, we are Jarrett and Luisa with Built on Rock Parent Coaching.
When we recognize a toxic belief like this operating, we as Christians are called to take it captive to obey Christ.
So let's bring these beliefs to Him. Our home is so full of chaos and constant fighting. We will never become the joyful, connected family I dreamed we would be. I will always be stressed and overwhelmed in my parenting.
As I pray through this, these are the kind of words that come into my mind. My child, I understand your feeling. And through this parenting experience, I invite you into my fatherly heart. My human family is full of chaos and fighting, from the fall in the garden until now. This is not the joyful and connected family I dreamed that we would be either. Grieve with me as I grieve with you. Yet, do not lose hope. The story of my family is not yet over, neither is yours. My redemption is at work, and is already completed in so many of my children who already dwell with me in eternity. This is your destiny, and the destiny of your family, but not yet. Now is the time of sacrifice, of mercy, of grace pouring in, and this is beautiful, even as it hurts. Join me in the redemption of your family, even as I am still redeeming you. Do not despair of the chaos and the fighting, but delight in the drama of sin and grace. See your home and your heart as the landing place of my grace and mercy. Rejoice in this, for your redemption and theirs is at hand.
Jesus tells us that if our eye is sound, then our whole body is filled with light. So let's turn our gaze away from our sin and brokenness and fix our eyes on Jesus and on the miracles that He is doing every day in our hearts and in the hearts of those in our family.
We hope this message of grace and truth is helpful to you, and we encourage you to go from us to the source Himself. He has a unique message today just for you.
Do you want to print a copy of this and other graceful truths to put in a visible place around your house? Follow the link below to grab it.
We would love to help you more. We have a parent-changing journey ready for you, and the best way to embark is through our one-on-one parent coaching.
In just 4 sessions, we will help you build your parenting foundation solidly on the rock. You will start enjoying your kids more, call out the best within them, and cultivate authentic responsibility.
Click on the link below and be bold. We can't wait to celebrate your transformation with you.
Please bless someone you know with this video.
As always, we're praying for you and your family.
May God bless you.
See you next time.